So the wire drawing machines consisting of multiple draw dies, typically 4 to 12 in number, separated by accumulating drums. So each drum provide proper force to draw wire stroke through upstream die. Each die provide a small reduction, so the desired total reduction achieved by the series of operation. The annealing sometimes required between dies to relieve work hardening. These are the diagram for the wire drawing in case there are a series of operation. The area reduction in wire drawing. The change in size of work is usually given by this mathematical operation. R is equal to A naught minus AF upon A naught, where A naught is the original area of the work and AF is the final area of the work, and R is the reduction ratio. These are the die materials from which we can manufacture die for the wire drawing process. Commonly used material are tool steel and carbides. These are very hard materials and advanced materials. Diamond dies are used for fine wires for improved wear resistance. Steel die may be chromium plated and carbide die may be coated with titanium nitride. For hot drawing, cast steel dies are used. Basically, carbide are the advanced and very hard material. These are the wire or rod drawing. Accomplished as a single draw operation, the stroke is pulled through one die opening. The beginning stroke has large diameter and is straight cylinder. Requires a batch type operation. These are the hydraulically operated draw bench for drawing metal bars. Next, this is the tube drawing, and tube drawing the pulling the stroke through a sides of the mandrel placed between the die. Basically, these are the moving mandrels and these are the stationary mandrels. They are die. In die, there are the reduction of the diameter of this blade. So this is called tube drawing. There are some basic difference between wire drawing and wall drawing. Difference between wire drawing and wire drawing is stroke size. Wire drawing, large diameter bar and rod stroke, and in case of wire drawing, small diameter stroke. Basically, the wire size drawn to 0.03 mm are possible. Although the mechanics are the same, the methods, equipment, and even terminology are the different. These are the some special cases for the preparation of work for drawing, basically annealing to increase the ductility of stroke. Basically, annealing is the heat treatment process by which we can improve the mechanical properties of the any material. And next one is cleaning to prevent damage to work surface and draw die. And next one is pointing to reduce the diameter of the starting end to allow inserting through the draw die. These are the some features of the draw die. First one is entry region. In case of entry region, the funnel lubricants into the die to prevent scoring of the work and die. Next one is approach. So it is cone-shaped region where drawing the occurs. Next one is wearing surface, determine final stroke and size. Back relief, it is exist at the exit zone provided with a back relief angle, that is half angle of about 30°. Next one is die material. So we can use for manufacturing of die. There are material which is tool steel or cemented carbide. So this is the die detail. It is the entry point. It is the approach from which the material pieces is entered into this die. These are the approach angle and these are the back relief angle, and it is the wearing surface. The wearing surface is lubricated by any lubricant. So thank you for your attention.